Apple Intelligence is getting integrated in more and more software pieces from Apple. When you open Apple Pages for the first time after the update, you will see this pop-up with introduction of Apple Intelligence in Pages. Now we got writing tools to our disposal. Also, Image Playground is integrated, so we can use it directly from the software without going out, and we can also ask Siri to use ChatGPT for us. But before you can do that, you need to connect ChatGPT. You need to activate that in settings. But after that, you can use it directly from Apple Pages. So let's take a look. I'm going to create a blank new document. Here it is. Let me just paste a sample text. Alright, and now we're going to try use writing tools. Now they are built in, they're here at the very top in the tool panel next to comment. So let me select this whole text. Now with the text selected, writing tools are activated. As you may notice before, they're like gray out. You need to select the text first. Now we can click on that and we can decide what we want. We want to rewrite it to be more friendly, professional, maybe more concise. We want to make key points as the list. We want to put this into table. Everything's here for us. We can proofread or rewrite. So let's click rewrite. And they create a new version. We can copy this new version and paste it whatever we need, or we can click replace. And our text was replaced by the new one. Let's try writing tools once more. Now we can select all writing tools. We can now make it concise, so shorter. Okay, we got shorter version. We can click replace. Take a look. Now it's shorter. Now it's fitting on one page. What if we turn it into a list? Select the text again, writing tool. We can make a summary or a list. Let's go with the list. Replace, and here it is. We end up with a nice list highlighting important points from this long text. Alright, so now writing tools are available directly from here. That's not all. If you click media here, the place when you can insert images, we got also option for image playground. If you click on that, you'll be able to generate images for your document just by describing them here. I type big yellow cat. I got this version. I can scroll to the right if I want to see alternative options, and they will keep generating this. Okay, I can add additional prompt. White backdrop, and now there are two prompts floating around this image. Now they're generating the yellow cat with the white backdrop. Alright, we can now click done, and the image was inserted. I'm still working with my Apple Pages. I didn't go out, I just used media and image playground. Alright, so that's what you can do right now directly from Apple Pages. You can generate images using media tab, or you can select your text and use writing tools to rewrite it as you want using the AI help. There'll be more and more features coming in 2025, so stay tuned. I will see you in the next tutorial.